Hello everyone, I welcome you to Knowledgeist. So today we will be discussing the vocabs of the Hindu editorials. So हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए आप टेलीग्राम के Knowledgeist ग्रुप में ज्वाइन हो जाएं और रेगुलर क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आपको सारे शेड्यूल्स पता चल जाएंगी. So today there are two topics. The first topic is about long overdue and on OBC reservation in All India quota medical seats, and the second one is about elusive gold on India's Olympic quest. So let's get started with the vocabs. So the first word is concord. Concord is a noun. It means an agreement or harmony between people or groups. Okay, so peace and agreement. So the synonyms for this is concurrence, unity, consensus, while the antonyms for concord are disagreement, discord. So जो भी agreement होती है दो groups को लेके उसे हम concord कहते हैं. Then the next word is keenness. आपको पता होगा कि keen मतलब somewhere you उत्सुकता मतलब किसी भी काम करने के लिए जो उत्सुकता होती है उसे हम keen या फिर keenness कहते हैं. Likewise, it is a quality of being eager or enthusiastic. So the synonyms for keenness will be eagerness, willingness, desire, while the antonyms will be reluctance, gentleness. Then the next word is averse. Averse is an adjective. It is used as an adjective. It means against or not in favor of something. आप किसी भी चीज के against हो, किसी भी चीज के फेवर में नहीं हो तो हम क्या करते हैं, क्या कहते हैं, उसे averse कहते हैं. So the means you are having a strong dislike or opposition to something. So the synonyms for averse will be unwilling, reluctant, while the antonyms will be keen and eager. Then the next word is incongruous. Incongruous OUS है, so it is used as an adjective. इसका मतलब क्या है? Inappropriate, not in harmony or keeping with the surroundings or other aspects of something. मतलब आप क्या हो, you are not peaceful or not in harmony or not keeping balance with the surroundings or other aspects of something. So the synonyms for incongruous will be out of place, inappropriate and contrary. मतलब किसी भी चीज में contrary है, मतलब क्या है, मतलब inappropriateness है. Then the next word is affirmative. Affirmative, it's an adjective. इसका मतलब क्या है, agreeing with or consenting to a statement or request. मतलब आप किसी भी चीज को, किसी भी statement को या request को आप क्या कर रहे हो, you are agreeing or you are consenting. So the synonyms for affirmative are assertion, proclamation, pronouncement, while the antonyms will be denial and refutation. Then the next word is impediment. Impediment is used as a noun. हमने बहुत बार ये जो वर्ड डिस्कशन की है. अगर आप इस चैनल में नए हैं तो अगर आज क्लास में नए हैं तो आप इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक करें चैनल क्लास को, और क्या करें, आप डेली बेसिस में ज्वाइन हो जाएं ताकि आपको ये जो भी हम vocabs और एडिटोरियल जो डिस्कशन करते हैं आप उनसे बेनिफिटेड रहें. सो इम्पेडिमेंट मतलब क्या है, ए हिंड्रेंस और ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन इन डूइंग समथिंग. किसी भी चीज में आप कर रहे हो तो फिर इसमें हिंड्रेंस पैदा करना या ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन पैदा होना, ठीक है, बैरियर पैदा करना. इम्पेडिमेंट्स is something where you are being hindered, obstructed while doing a thing. So the synonyms will be hindrance, obstruction, obstacle, while the antonyms will be benefit and allowance. Then the next word is contumacious. It's OUS hai, so it will be an adjective. It will be used as an adjective. So it means willfully disobedient to authority or simply disobedient. Means somewhere you are not obeying someone or you are disobeying someone. So it is contumacious. So the synonyms will be contemptuous, obstinate, perverse, while the antonyms will be amenable, compliant, and docile. Then the next word is feverish. Feverish is an adjective. It means characterized by or displaying a frenetic excitement or energy. आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप excitement या फिर energy दिखा रहे हो. You're displaying excitement towards something. So the synonyms will be hectic, agitated, excited, frantic, while the antonyms will be calm and cool. Then the next word is bruise. It's a verb. It means a common skin injury that results in a discoloration of the skin. मतलब किसी भी common injury, मतलब आप injured हो या फिर कुछ भी है, तो फिर क्या होता है, जो injury लगी रहती है आपको, जो चोट लगी रहती है, वो उसके जो मतलब that results with what happens, there becomes a discoloration in the skin. So the synonyms for bruise will be contusion, lesion, and injury, while the antonyms will be complement, beautiful, and repair. So let's move to the next slide. Then the word is bout. It is a noun. It means a short period of intense activity of a special kind. So means it might be a short period, but you are doing an intense activity of a specified type. So the synonyms will be spell, period, stint, session, while the antonyms will be concord, stagnation, peace, and truce. Then the next word is savor. Savor is a verb. It means a characteristic taste, flavor, or smell, especially pleasant one. Matlab savor means when you taste something or you flavor or smell something, and that is मतलब especially food में ही use की जाती है. And another meaning of savor is something that you appreciate. आप किसी भी चीज को appreciate करते हो, enjoy करते हो, then it is called savor. Here the meaning of savor is that something that you appreciate. So the synonyms for savor will be enjoy, relish, delight in, while the antonyms will be dislike, shun, and refuse. Then the next word is impetuous. It's a noun, means something that makes a process or activity happen or happen more quickly. Something जो कि एक किसी भी एक एक्टिविटी को कराए या फिर ऐसा क्या हो, मतलब होने से पहले ही happen more quickly, मतलब it happens more quicker than it should be. So the synonyms for impetuous will be stimulus, incentive, inducement, while the antonyms will be block, discouragement, check, hindrance. Then the next word is litany. Litany is a noun. It means a tedious recital or repetitive series. A tedious recital or repetitive series. किसी भी चीज में repetition होना, ठीक है, iteration होना, means something that is repetitive in series. So synonyms will be recital, repetition, refrain. Then the next word is travels. It's used as a verb. Means to engage in painful or laborious effort. मतलब आप किसी भी painful या फिर laborious मतलब एक्शन में इन्वॉल्व मतलब इफोर्ट दे रहे हो, लेबरस इफोर्ट दे रहे हो, या फिर एंगेज कर रहे हो खुद को एक पेनफुल सिचुएशन में या फिर एक्शन में, देन इट इज कॉल्ड travails. So the synonyms will be ordeal, trouble, struggle, while the antonyms will be break, ease, and slacken. Then the last word is vouch. Vouch is a verb. It means to confirm that someone is who they say they are, or that they are of good character. Confirm, verify, affirm. You are confirming that someone, confirm that he is, means आप किसी को इंट्रोड्यूस करवा रहे हो या फिर आप एक स्टेटमेंट दे रहे हो, एक एसर्शन दे रहे हो कि he is a good guy or he is a good person. So that is vouch. Means you are affirming or you are confirming or you are verifying someone's good character. So the synonyms for vouch will be confirm, affirm, verify, and the antonyms will be condemn, discredit, and neglect. So let's move to the first editorial. So ये जो first editorial है, it is about long overdue on OBC reservation in all India quota medical seats. तो फिर ये जो कोटा जो ओबीसी रिजर्वेशन के ऊपर जो कब से बातें चली आ रही हैं, इट वाज बीन लॉन्ग ओवरड्यू, कब से ये था, and there might be some changes have been made that we will read in this editorial. So OBC reservation in all India quota medical seats puts an end to a discriminatory policy. जो भी discrimination था, जो भी discriminatory policy था, now it has come to an end. Okay, the OBC reservation in all India quota medical seat puts means finally it has rolled out, means it has been introduced, and it has put an end to the discriminatory policies or all the long overdue that has been continuing till the date has been put to an end. So reservation for students from backward classes in seats surrendered by states to an all India quota in medical colleges run by state governments was long overdue. जो भी state में जो all India quota मतलब जो भी मेडिकल कॉलेजेस रन किए जा रहे थे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स के द्वारा, दैट हैज बीन वो जो रिजर्वेशंस था बैकवर्ड क्लासेस के लिए, ये जो स्टूडेंट्स का जो भी रिजर्वेशन था, that has been a long overdue. The center's decision to extend its 27% reservation for other backward classes to all seats under the AIQ is a belated but welcome development. तो फिर क्या बोली गई है कि the center's decision, जो भी सेंटर ने डिसीजन लिया है to extend it to how much percentage, to a percentage of 27% reservation, 27% reservation जो भी की गई है, to whom, to the OBC, मतलब the other backward classes जो भी हैं उनके सीट्स को लेके ये 27% reservations AIQ ऑल इंडिया कोटा के अंडर ये आ रही है, एंड दिस इज दो इट इज belated, means though it has been a long overdue, but still the development which has been rolled out is welcomed, as other backward class candidates have been denied their due for years, as the OBC candidates has been denied their due for years. means कब से ये बातें चली आ रही थी और कब से ये मना किए जा रहे थे, but now it has been done. And in concord with its keenness to balance OBC's interest with those of the social advanced section, the union government has also decided to provide 10% of the AIQ seats to those from the economically weaker sections EWS. तो फिर इसके साथ साथ ये क्या मतलब they have concurred, means they have there's also an agreement which has been made that they are also going to provide a 10% reservations for the economically weaker sections too. This is almost entirely the outcome of a Madras High Court verdict and the efforts of the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, which approached the court with the demand. It is all because of the outcome of the Madras High Court verdict and also the efforts of the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. The AIQ is a category created by the Supreme Court to free up some seats from resident or domicile requirements in some states for admission to their medical colleges. तो फिर AIQ क्या है? It is a category where the Supreme Court free up some seats for the residential or domicile requirements in some states for admission to their medical colleges. तो क्या होती है? जब भी कोई स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, मोस्टली जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स जो रहती हैं वहाँ पे क्या होती है, जो भी मतलब गवर्नमेंट सर्विस पेरेंट्स रहते हैं, वो जो उनका ट्रांसफर होता है तो उनके बच्चों के लिए क्या होता है, देर इज सम रिजर्वेशंस फॉर मेड बाय द सुप्रीम कोर्ट टू फ्री अप सम सीट्स फॉर द रेसिडेंशियल और डोमिसाइल रिक्वायरमेंट्स. ओके, जो भी ये रेसिडेंशियल हो या फिर डोमिसाइल अदर स्टेट्स के जो भी ये हैं उनको मतलब उनको सीट मिल जाए बोल के वो कुछ सीट्स खाली रखे रहते हैं पहले से ही. सो दैट इज सेड हियर दैट the AIQ is a category created by the Supreme Court. The AIQ is a category which has been created by the Supreme Court to free up some seats. जो भी कुछ खाली रखी जाए ताकि जो भी रेसिडेंशियल और डोमिसाइल रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं स्टेट्स के उनको फिल अप करने के लिए. Introduced in 1986, the AIQ comprised 15% of undergraduate medicals and dental seats and 50% of postgraduate seats surrendered by the states for admission through a central pool. There was no reservation in the AIQ, and once in the past, the Supreme Court set aside a Madras Supreme Court set aside a Madras High Court ordering direct the center to implement scheduled caste or scheduled tribes quota in the category. So पहले ये कुछ भी कैटेगरी वगैरह था ही नहीं. AIQ comprised 50% of undergraduate medicals and dental seats. जो भी undergraduates हैं उनके लिए था 15% and 50% of post for the postgraduate seats surrendered by the states for the admission through a central pool. पर अब क्या हुआ, सुप्रीम कोर्ट मद्रास हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर के बाद ये सेंटर implemented the reservation for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes quota in the category. In 2007, the Supreme Court allowed 15% scheduled caste 15% scheduled caste reservation and a 7.5% of scheduled tribe quota under the AIQ. तो 2007 में क्या हुआ, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अलाउ किया 15% शेड्यूल कास्ट के लिए रिजर्वेशन और 7.5 ये जो शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स के लिए जो है रिजर्वेशन इंक्लूड किया था. Meanwhile, based on a central law favoring backward class reservation in educational institution, the union's 27% OBC quota was introduced in central educational institution. फिर meanwhile क्या हुआ, the union's 27% OBC quota was introduced in the central educational institutions. There was no move to implement OBC reservation in the category. OBC reservation में कोई भी चेंजेस नहीं आ रही थी. In the course, the Medical Council of India argued against OBC reservation, but the Union government said it was not averse to the reservation subject to an overall 50% limit. तो आपको पता होगा कि नहीं तो नहीं पता, लेकिन मैं आपको एक चीज बता देती हूँ कि जो भी ये रिजर्वेशन रहती है वो लिमिटेड रहती है अप टू ए 50% लिमिट. तो फिर जब हम ये इंक्लूड जब 2007 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अलाउ किया कि 15% जो है शेड्यूल कास्ट के रिजर्वेशन होंगी और 7.5% शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स के रिजर्वेशन होगी, तो फिर ये तो 50% नहीं हो रहा है ना, हम जब इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं. देयर आर इवन a few percent left. So it was said that जो भी ये होगी, in the courts, the medical courts of the Indian they argue किए कि ये only they can there will not averse the reservation and overall 50% limit तक ही है. The omission of OBC reservation in the AIQ seats was obviously discriminatory है, इसीलिए ये बात करके it was a discriminatory policy before. There were OBC seats in medical institutions run by the center as well as state-specific quotas in those run by the states. It was incongruous that seats given up by the states to help the center redistribute medical education opportunities across the country were kept out of the ambit of affirmative actions. तो ये जो भी हो रही थी, it was an affirmative action. There was even a case to argue that as AIQ seats originally belonged to the states, the quota policy applicable to the respective states ought to be applied to them. So जो भी ये center का क्या है, ये जो center में reservation, whoever is studying, a student must be belonging to a state. जो भी student है वो तो किसी ना किसी state के district से या फिर town से belong करती ही होंगी ना, तो फिर इसमें center का मतलब रोल ही क्या है. So that is being said that there is even a case to argue that the AIQ seats originally belong to the states, not to the center. The quota policy applicable to the respective states ought to be applied to them. जो भी ये states में respective quotas हैं, that should be applied to the states only. The Madras High Court in July 2020 held that there was no legal impediment to OBC reservation. So जो भी ये Madras High Court है, finally it said that it held that there is no legal hindrance to the OBC reservation, but given that the policy varied from states to states, मतलब ये रिजर्वेशन तो हो जाएंगी, इसमें कोई डिफिकल्टीज नहीं है, बट दिस पॉलिसी विल वेरी फ्रॉम स्टेट टू स्टेट. It left it to the center to decide the modalities for quotas from the academic year. So it is left to the, ये जो भी डिसाइड की जाएंगी ये सेंटर के यूनियन के द्वारा डिसाइड की जाएंगी वो फ्रॉम दिस एकेडमिक ईयर. ये एकेडमिक ईयर से this will be decided by the center. The center has now decided on the 20% 27% ओबीसी कोटा. तो फिर सेंटर ने क्या डिसाइड किया है कि 27% ओबीसी कोटा को मिलेंगी, बट नॉट बिफोर द हाई कोर्ट टर्म द डिले इन डूइंग शो contumaciously. So it is not before the high court termed the delay in doing so. Then the next we will move to the next एडिटोरियल. उससे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि आरआरबी के जो भी न्यू बैच है ये शुरू हो गई हैं. आप इसके लाइव और रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस देख सकते हो. आपको जो भी शेड्यूल्स के बारे में जो भी पता करनी है, आप जो नॉलेजिस्ट ग्रुप जो है टेलीग्राम में, आप उसमें ज्वाइन कर लें. आपको या फिर आप हमारे वेबसाइट को भी विजिट कर सकते हो जो कि डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी गई है. और आपको जो भी स्टडी मटेरियल्स, बुक्स और पीडीएफ्स रिलेटेड जो भी हेल्प चाहिए होंगी आप वहां से आपको मिल जाएंगी. और आप न्यू 10 कोड आप ऐप भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. और आप अगर वहां पे न्यू 10 कोड लगा रहे हो देन यू विल गेट ए स्पेशल 10% ऑफ. So moving to the next editorial, it is about sorry, elusive gold on India's Olympic quest. तो जो भी ये है they are elusive gold on India's Olympic quest. जो भी ये चल रही है it is जो Olympic चल रही है Tokyo Olympics, it is about the quench of gold. India is still searching for a gold medal as the Olympic Games enter the second week. So it has started from July 23 and it will end on August 8. So the first week is already over and now the second week is continuing. So India is still in search of a gold medal. तो क्या कर रहे हैं? It is in search of a gold medal for the Tokyo Olympics 2020. As it has entered the second week and they haven't got any. So let's read. India at the Olympics has always been about feverish hopes, bruising anguish, and a few medals. Okay, so means feverish hope means having you are means you are displaying or your excitement about you're excited, you are hoping something about the medals. Since its debut at the games in 1900, the world's second most populous nation has ended up with either a single digit tally or none at all. So what happens? Either from it is, as we know that China is the leading one, and after that India is the world's second most populous nation. And what happens? It always end up with a either a single digit tally or not none at all. Okay, either एक single digit मतलब सिंगल डिजिट में ही हम आइदर गोल्ड मतलब जो भी मेडल्स हमें जीत में हासिल होती है या फिर कुछ भी नहीं मिलता. That familiar tale is being repeated a week after the Tokyo Olympics commenced and India is currently assured of 3 medals. So the second week is continuing. First week is already over and they have commenced. They are means in a hope that India is current India has currently assured 3 medals. One a silver claimed by weightlifter Mirabai Chanu, जो एक किसके द्वारा क्लेम किया गया है? मीराबाई चानू के द्वारा, who is in the 49 kg category, weightlifter हैं वो. And second a minimum of a bronze guaranteed by boxer Lovlina Borgohain, okay, who has qualified for the semi-final in the welterweight segment, and the vote will be held on Wednesday. Okay, so vote means ये जो भी intense activity, ये जो भी sports के जो भी ये sessions हैं, that will be held on Wednesday this week. Badminton star PV Sindhu too joined the party, seizing her bronze after defeating China's He Bingjiao. Okay, so PV Sindhu have defeated China's He Bingjiao on 21-13, 21-15 during Sunday's third place playoff, and she have grabbed a bronze medal for India. Though their exploits, Mirabai and Lovlina, hailing from Manipur and Assam, so Mirabai is from Manipur while Lovlina is from Assam, respectively, have revealed the rich sporting ability shimmering in the northeastern states linked to the mainland through the chicken snake above Bangladesh. So they belongs to the northeastern states, and the mainland is through the chicken snake above Bangladesh. Mirabai and Lovlina owe their triumphs to their innate strength and hard work beside the obvious support from family and the Sports Authority of India. So they are owing their triumphs to their family and also the Sports Authority of India. With Sindhu, they have also reiterated women power. Sindhu, who won the silver at the previous Olympics at Rio de Janeiro, had an exceptional run till she ran into Chinese Taipei's Tai, losing in the semi-final and then made amends with a bronze. So, in the previous Olympics in Rio de Janeiro, what happened? Sindhu have won a silver medal. India has a moment to shower when its women's hockey team entered the quarterfinals. So here shower means not tasty or something related to taste, but as I said, it is appreciate. India has a moment of appreciation or enjoying, or they are taking delight in that their women's hockey team have entered the quarterfinals. They are enjoying it. They are merry making that finally the women's hockey team have entered the quarterfinals, while a strong Australian outfit awaits in the knockout on Monday. So, while a strong Australian outfit awaits for the knockout on Monday, the women will aid the India's evergreen hockey hopes that gained a fill-up after the men defeated Great Britain 3-1 during Sunday's quarterfinal. After the 1980 gold, the men's quest to win another Olympic medal has gained impetus and rode ahead in tough but interesting. So what happened? After 1980's gold, the men's quest to win another Olympic medal has gained impetus, means something activity which is being more quickly, and it is going to be tough, but it will be more interesting. In the limited chronicle of good tidings, Kamalpreet Kaur's excellent throw of 64 meters in the discus throw event was a spark. Means the excellent throw of 64 meters. He have thrown discus up to 64 meters, and it was a spark on the Olympic. Kamalpreet qualified for Monday's final. He has qualified for the Monday's final, and a lot is resting on her shoulders. Means now उनके ऊपर एक मतलब दायित्व टाइप जो भी दी गई है ताकि उनके शोल्डर्स में अब है कि शायद एक होप मीन्स दे आर होपफुल दैट ही माइट ब्रिंग ए medal from the Olympics. While these stirring events kept India afloat, there is also a litany of heartbreaks that include Mary Com's loss in boxing. Okay, so while these things kept afloat, मतलब ये जो भी चीजें हैं, ये भी जो भी देख रहे हैं, इट इज कीपिंग इंडिया एफ्लोट मीन्स ये मतलब आगे बढ़ने के लिए लीड करने के लिए या फिर उन्हें उत्साहित कर रही है, बट स्टिल द लिटनी it's also the litany of heart means it also breaking continuously repetitively breaking our heart that include Mary Com's loss in boxing. ये जो भी boxing में Mary Com का loss हुआ है, that is it is some way hurtful. It is effect that the 38-year-old failed to initially admit following her adrenaline rush. The travels in shooting and archery did not add up to the original template of good from the resultant expectations. जो भी expectations था, it did not add up to. And shooters Saurav Chaudhary and Manu Bhaker had their moments, but they were not enough. They tried a lot, but they didn't succeed. The games exert immense pressure as it always about the athlete combining individual excellence with national pride. Tennis champion Novak Djokovic failed to even win a bronze while gymnastic Simone Biles withdraw from event citing mental fatigue. Okay, so Djokovic failed to win a bronze while the gymnastic Simone Biles was also cited having mental fatigue. It is never easy and the Indian contingent would vouch for that going into the second week. तो जो भी देखी जा रही है, so it will be confirmed by in the second week. So hope आपने दोनों एडिटोरियल अच्छे तरह से समझ गए होंगे और थैंक यू टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल. वीडियो को लाइक करें. हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए आप टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में ज्वाइन हो जाए, टेलीग्राम के नॉलेज ग्रुप में ज्वाइन हो जाए. फेसबुक में भी आप हमें फॉलो कर सकते हैं. यूट्यूब के इस चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब कर लें. थैंक यू. हैव ए गुड डे.